Hi Horton, it's Randy here from Randy Cycle Service. Been working on your Ford radio and your 65 pickup and got it all working, and it's working quite nice. As a matter of fact, it's working so well that right now I'm listening to 1320 WJAS. That's a station out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, daylight hours, that's a real good stretch. Matter of fact, that's kind of unusual. We don't normally get that, so the conditions must be right. But at any rate, we definitely got it working like it should. And local Culpeper station booms in on 1490, just like it's next door. And I'll just show you real quick and let you listen a little. Now we're going to dial over to the Culpeper station. You can hear that's coming in loud and clear there. We got a new face on the radio, or at least new glass. Painted the needle. Got everything all cleaned up very nicely. New capacitors. Checked out all the tubes. Went over everything. Had some bad solder joints in it and fixed the speaker as well. So you got yourself essentially a new sound system here. New for 1965. So I hope you enjoy and you'll be able to get a lot of good listening out of this baby, especially at night.